Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the document and confirming your Google account is active. Once done, check whether the black background comes from browser dark mode, docs theme, or page color. Make sure you've got Format Page Color open. This is the first actionable place to change the canvas. You'll also want another tab with a simple blank doc to test changes quickly. Now that prerequisites are set, move to identifying the exact source causing the black background. Now change the page color to white or the default to remove document-level black fill. This directly alters the canvas color. If the background stays black, disable any browser extensions that force dark themes and toggle browser-level force dark to off. Also make sure Google Docs isn't using an account-level theme. Sign out and back in to confirm. If the problem persists, inspect browser flags and reset experimental settings. These steps target both. To finish, clear your browser cache, reload the document, and test in an incognito window or a different browser to isolate the issue. Make sure your browser is updated and remove any extensions that conflict with page rendering. If a stubborn black background remains, copy-paste content into a new Google Doc. That often strips hidden styling. One key troubleshooting tip: if changes don't apply, try disabling extensions first. Most dark background problems come from theme or extension interference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.